We just finished up with effects, which are all the crazy motion-based ones like you can see going on here. There we go. Now we'll show you how to do the static stuff. If you do the three-line hamburger menu, underneath effects is static presets. Go ahead and select that. Now these are all separated by holidays again, and different celebration types. So we're going to do, I don't know, 4th of July. So we select that. It's going to show us a red, a white, and a blue. We can preview. Now remember, when we have previewed an effect, it was motion and it was moving and it was doing all sorts of stuff. Because this is a static effect, it will not move. This will be a static repeating color pattern. So if you want to be able to do multiple patterns like that, this static preset is the way to do that. You'll also notice that there's a segment number down here instead of a speed. So if we set that to 2 and we preview it, you see how there's 2 red, 2 white, 2 blue in a repeating pattern. So that basically sets the color banding or the width of each of the colors used. It will default to the colors selected for that holiday. If you want to change them, you can edit the colors. And then the process is exactly the same as it is with the motion-based effects. All of your custom colors and everything will still be down here. Your options for whites will be in here. So you'll be able to select everything you would normally from the other methodologies in there. And of course, you can preview to see what your thing is going to look like. You can also back out of here. If you go back in, it'll restore the colors. And then also the default and custom toggle on the top there will flip them back and forth as well. So you can't accidentally like overwrite one of your holidays. But when we go ahead and apply this, you'll see that it'll change from the motion effect I had to a static non-motion red, white, and blue pattern. And again, we'll probably reshoot these when I can do it on a house, but at least for now, you'll get the idea. All right, so that is the static presets in a nutshell. There's also a way of doing your calendar just like it was before. It'll show you what the upcoming holidays are to help you schedule and that kind of thing. If you create your own custom one, same deal. Let's do this color, we'll add that. Let's do, I don't know, maybe a warm white. Add that in here. And solid green. And we're gonna do 3 on the color band. Let's see what that looks like. That's terrible. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but we can. And we can create and apply. Oops, we forgot to give it a name. Up at the top here, you'll hit the little pencil edit to the right and give it a name. We're going to call it what it is. And then create and apply in the bottom corner. It's going to go ahead and apply it, and you'll notice that our color pattern showed up underneath the custom tab over there. So we can have our own favorites list of things that we've created in there as well, in addition to all of these other fantastic options in here. So that is static presets.